Hi, my name is Mark, and I'd like to present to you today my meal planner. My meal planner is a full stack web-based application that utilizes Ruby on Rails on the back end, paired with a PostgreSQL database. And on the front end, the application is written completely in JavaScript. My meal planner utilizes a rapid API called WebNots that contains 300,000 recipes. And the application here is broken down into two parts. The first part allows a user to enter in basic food-related questions. So in this case, we're going to ask how much vitamin C in orange? When we click on go, the answer is 47.88 milligrams of vitamin C in one orange. We could do something like how many calories. So let's do how many carbs in a slice of bread. And the questions do not have to be phrased in complete sentences, but here's the answer, 13.3 grams of carbs in one slice of bread. Okay, so that's the first part of the application. The application also allows a user to delete an item. So part two of the application is where a user could search for recipes. So we're going to search for pizza. We will return two items. And in the food type, you could enter in main course, side dish, and here are the various options or the cuisine type. We will leave these blank for now, and we'll just go ahead and find recipes. So these are the two recipes that are returned based on our search for pizza, and we wanted to return two values. Let's get a little bit more ambitious, and let's select a cuisine type, and let's say French. And what we'll do is we're going to return two items of French cuisine. Let's see, recipe search field cannot be blank. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add in here a food type. So let's say beef, return two values, and the cuisine will be French again. And here are our two items of French. We have a beef casserole, and then we have an encrusted beef tenderloin. Sounds good. So the last example that I'll demonstrate for you is let's say dessert. So let's say a cake, and the food type will be dessert. And this time around, we're going to add in an intolerance. So let's say a gluten-free cake, and let's see what that returns. And it returned actually a few different types of gluten-free recipes, and that's because we did not limit the search. So there are your gluten-free cakes. And finally, we can filter our values. So if we just wanted to see cakes, there are our cakes. If we wanted to go back and just look at our pizzas, there are our pizzas. And the application allows us to also delete the items. So that is the application in a nutshell. Please see the links below, and the links will have the GitHub repository links, as well as a blog on the application, and finally a more extended video on how to use this particular application. Thanks for watching.